guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing. The first thing that I pull out is my insert card. Now this month's theme is Roadtrippin. So we got 5 full-size products this month and I'm going to try and create a face for you guys using these products. The first item that we get when we open it up is this Dr. Brandt Needles No More. Say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage ID Puffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides and botanical extracts, you're guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. So, okay, they say here that you must warm up a small amount between your fingers and then gently pat onto your under eye area by your bags. It's orange. For some reason I thought it was going to be like a see-through clear kind of gel. They say warm it up between your fingers. It's just so weird that it's orange. I just thought it would be like a see-through color. I guess it's because orange counteracts blue. I don't know. I feel like it kind of took some of the blue away, but I don't want to say it like depuffed it. It's very cooling, I must say, and it felt super weird when it was on, like it felt like it was pulling my skin underneath, but now it's kind of smooth. Yeah, so I don't know if this is like depuffing, but it does look a bit, it doesn't look as blue, but that could just be my imagination. I don't know, it could be my imagination. Okay guys, so the next product in the box is going to be this eyebrow thing. I actually don't know what this is. Yeah, Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. So, oh, that's cute. So it's got like a little, it's got like a little brush over here, an angled brush. And, oh, okay. Oh my gosh, this is too small for my clumsy hands. And then inside here is like a pomade. This might be a bit too ashy for my eyebrows, but we're gonna give it a go. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, it goes on really easily and I don't know. It feels a bit dark. It's much darker than I normally fill my eyebrows in with. I'm just going to quickly put on some concealer and some of my foundation and everything, and then we can carry on with the rest of the box. Okay guys, so we've already zoomed in because the next product in the box is this. This is the Crown Brush Fuego, I don't know how to say it. Eyeshadow collection. This, yeah, so it's the Crown Pro. Looks like this. The shades are pretty nice. I almost want to say they're very similar to the Naked Heat. Not identical, I wouldn't say this is a dupe, but it's pretty close actually. Crown Brush Fuego Eyeshadow Collection, made up of rich warm tone shades. This creamy high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for your all glam goals. What's really nice is you get like a mirror as well, so that's always a bonus. I know a lot of times people complain because they don't get mirrors in their palettes and so they can't really travel with it, so this is very convenient because you can literally take this and travel. So I think they thought of that. I don't normally do my face makeup before I do my eyes, always do my eyes first, so to kind of prevent or help with the cleanup at the end, I'm going to just put some powder right here. That is going to be the most or majority of where the powder is going to fall. Okay, so the next item in the box is this. The Unlashed by Wonder Beauty Volume and Curl Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. I'm just going to curl my lashes quickly. So it's got a bit of a curl there, like a little bit of a dip. First layer looked really good, and when you pull the second layer it just clumps a lot at the bottom, so it gives you really good volume at your base, but it doesn't really extend it out as much. It looks really nice on the bottom lashes. I'm just going to check throughout the day that it doesn't smudge onto my bottom lids. But it doesn't really give me the length that other mascaras do. I do like the mascara. I think that it does give you a lot of volume, but the length I don't agree too much with. I just think that it clumps it up too much at the base once you start applying more than one layer, and it doesn't really give you, I think, the length that most other mascaras do. Like even a drugstore brand would give you much better length than this. But it's still not a bad mascara, and I do like the little bend in it for my bottom lashes, so it does work really nice like that. So it's not the worst mascara, but I don't think the length is the best. The last item in the box is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So this is what it looks like. Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact 3-in-1 treat perfect for the charmer on the go. It says it has a brush inside. Yeah, no, these brushes, I don't like these brushes. They make me think like I'm doing 2-year-old makeup again. Like, you know, when you get those little fun packs and you get like the brushes inside it. I don't like brushes like that. I pick up my Real Techniques, what is this, stippling brush. This is also a very nice color. This is the Desert Rose. This is such a nice coral color, especially to kind of vibe with this look, or this eye look. I think it's very nice. Okay, so this blush does have a lot of pickup, but it's okay as long as it blends nicely. So that's the blusher. I just want to add some highlighter. I'm going to be taking this color in the Fuego, just the crown brush palette. I don't know how to say this name. Popping some on my cheeks. This is the same color that I used on my inner tear duct of my eyes, or inner corner of my eye, and under my brow bone. That is everything in the box. I just want to pop on some lipstick and then we can look at the final look. I have to say that this liquid lipstick by Desi New York has become my favorite nude lipstick because it's got this like glossy like finish. It just leaves my lips looking plumpy and juicy, and I'm just loving it. I really am. So I just popped some of this on my lips, and that is the final look. So that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!